Hey there, in this video I'll show you awesome tips and tricks about your Nokia 3.4. Your Nokia 3.4 comes with gesture navigation, which sounds very cool. However, in real life I actually prefer the old layout of these buttons over here, which older Androids had, and yeah, they were really cool. So, if you want to enable those, go to your settings and find System and click on Gestures and click this System Navigation and select 3-button navigation. And now, as you see, you got your all buttons back, and you can close your apps very easily, and you also get your back button and home button, and it's very easy to use your phone again. Your Nokia 3.4 also has got night light, which helps reduce strain on your eyes, and if you are using your device before bedtime, it helps you fall asleep faster. To enable that, you can scroll from up to down like that, and you will see this nightlight button here. To enable this, simply click on it. If you want to adjust some settings, simply hold it for a bit, and you can turn it on, and as you see, it got a kind of orangey. If you want to adjust the intensity of it, you can do that here. I prefer to set it something like this, so it's a bit orange, but still not too bad. And I find this feature really useful indeed, and I find that it reduces the strain on your eyes quite significantly indeed. So if you are having troubles falling asleep after using your phone, make sure to use this feature, as it's very good. Did you know that if you click your power button twice, the camera app opens? And this is really cool and easy way to bring up your camera if you are out and about and want to quickly launch your camera to take a quick shot. So you don't even need to unlock the phone or stroll through the menus to open the camera. And yeah, again, it's incredibly easy and fast to launch the camera this way, and you should definitely use this. Not only your fingerprint reader can unlock your phone quite fast, it can also be used to see your notifications quite fast if you got any. If you want to do that, simply swipe it like that, and notification bar will pop up displaying all your notifications if you got any. I don't really have any. And if you want to perhaps disable this thing, as I often press it and swipe it accidentally and the notification keeps up, you can do that in settings. Go to settings, scroll all the way down where it says System, and click Gestures, and select the first one, Swipe Fingerprint for Notifications. If you disable that, and if you swipe the fingerprint, these notifications will stop popping up. However, I find it quite useful. You probably already knew that your phone has got dual SIM cards. However, did you know that your Nokia can also use different ringtones for each of your SIM cards? To set up that, go to your settings again and find where it says Sound, this green thing here. Click on it, scroll all the way down, and you can change the ringtones for each of your SIM cards here. To set up ringtone for SIM card 1, simply select the tone you want, and for SIM card 2, also the tone you want. And now if someone calls you, you'll be quite easily able to tell if, for example, your work calls or your personal SIM card works. And yeah, this is a really useful feature. Did you know that you can save quite a lot of battery on your Nokia 3.4 and also customize your design of the menus from white design to black design? To set up that, simply go to your settings again and find where it says display, and you can toggle the dark theme here on or off. If you toggle it off, you get the default white theme. If you turn it on, you get the black theme. This black theme saves your battery life quite considerably, since you don't really use that much energy to illuminate these black parts on the phone compared when they are white. Most of the energy is used only to display these texts or icons or images. So yeah, if you want to prolong your battery life on your Nokia 3.4, then use this dark theme. so it saves quite a bit of battery. Also, this is quite an easy way to add different look to your phone. Your Nokia 3.4 also has got a dedicated assistant button over here. You can use this assistant button to quite easily control your phone and ask it to do some stuff, such as set alarm for 7 AM.
Done. Set for tomorrow at 7 AM.
And you can set an alarm, for example, super fast this way. Also, if for some reason you don't really want this assistant button and you find that it presses quite often for you by accident, you can disable this button. To do that, go to your settings and scroll all the way down where it says System and select Gestures and find where it says Google Assistant button at the bottom here. Press that, and now as you see, when you press this button, nothing happens. For my phone, I have actually disabled this button, as I find the assistant button quite often actually gets pressed by accident and the assistant comes on and starts talking. For that reason, I have simply disabled it. When someone is calling on your Nokia 3.4 and it's not the best time to actually answer the call, you can also turn the phone like this to decline the call. To set this up, again, let's go to Settings and scroll all the way down where it says System and click on Gestures. And you will be able to see here this turn over to reject call. And when you enable it, if someone calls you and you place the phone like this, a call will be rejected. This is really easy and super fast way to basically get rid of calls at the wrong time. And I find this really useful. If you are finding that you are spending way too much time on your new Nokia 3.4, you can also see how much you have actually spent today. To do that, simply go to your settings and find where it says Apps and Notifications, and you'll be able to see your screen time. For example, as you see, I have spent 18 minutes on this phone today. And when you click on this screen time once more, you can bring up all the apps and you will be able to see on which apps you have actually used this time. Also, if for example you want to limit your phone usage for certain apps, you can do that here. For example, if I want to limit myself that I can't play more than 15 minutes per day of this Subway Surfer game, I can click this clock icon here and simply select 30 minutes. And now if I go past 30 minutes, the app will close and the phone won't allow me to actually use this app anymore for today. This is really useful if you want to see exactly how much time you spend every day on your phone and be mindful about your usage and get some time back to yourself by not spending that much time. If you found these tips and tricks about the Nokia 3.4 useful, make sure to hit the like button. And if you want to see more videos about the brand new Nokia 3.4, then make sure to subscribe, as I'll be releasing them very soon. See you!